Hey everyone, and welcome back to Future Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of resourceful gardening. We'll be exploring clever hacks that will have your plants thriving without needing a hefty budget or a degree in horticulture. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a complete beginner, these tried and true tips, passed down through generations and sourced from gardening experts, will help you stretch your resources and create a bountiful harvest. While these traditional hacks are fantastic for budget-conscious gardeners, there's a whole new world of technology waiting to revolutionize the way we cultivate our green havens. Artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are rapidly transforming agriculture, and these advancements are trickling down to home gardens as well. Imagine a virtual gardening assistant who diagnoses plant problems with pinpoint accuracy, or a smart watering system that automatically adjusts based on real-time weather data. The future of gardening is personalized, data-driven, and easier than ever before. Skip the expensive plastic seedling trays and go eco-friendly. Repurpose recycled egg cartons, newspaper folded into origami pockets, or even toilet paper rolls as your very own seed starting trays. Just poke drainage holes in the bottom for excess water and fill with a good quality seed starting mix. For many vegetables like peas, beans, lettuce, and squash, there's no need for the extra step of starting seeds indoors. Wait for the danger of frost to pass, then sow seeds directly into your garden beds, following the recommended spacing guidelines on the seed packet. This saves time and resources. Save money and ensure you have your favorite varieties year after year by collecting seeds from your own plants. Focus on open-pollinated heirloom varieties that will produce seeds true to type. Let your chosen plants fully mature and dry their seeds before collecting them. Store them in a cool, dry place in airtight containers for future plantings. Composting kitchen scraps and yard waste is a fantastic way to create nutrient-rich fertilizer for free. It not only saves money, but also reduces waste going to landfills. Build a simple compost bin using wooden pallets or chicken wire, or buy a pre-made one and get composting. Mulching around your plants is a multitasking marvel. A layer of organic mulch like shredded bark, leaves, or straw helps retain moisture in the soil, up to 50%, suppresses weeds by blocking sunlight, and regulates soil temperature. This translates to healthier plants that require less watering and less weeding. Don't toss those leftover coffee grounds. Coffee grounds can be a surprising source of nitrogen for your plants, especially acid-loving plants like roses, azaleas, and blueberries. However, use them sparingly, as too much nitrogen can harm plants. Add them lightly around the base of your plants, or mix them into your compost pile for a slow and steady nitrogen boost. Don't have a sprawling yard? No problem. Utilize vertical gardening techniques to maximize your growing space. Trellises, hanging planters, and vertical garden pockets allow you to grow vegetables, herbs, and even some flowering plants up, and away. This is a great space-saving solution for balconies, patios, or small urban gardens. Get creative with repurposed containers. Turn old buckets, colanders, or even dresser drawers into unique and functional planters. Just ensure they have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. You can also use recycled materials to create your own vertical planters using wooden pallets or chicken wire. Certain plants can actually deter pests from their neighbors. Plant strong-smelling herbs like rosemary or mint near your vegetables to confuse and repel unwanted insects. Nasturtiums are another great companion plant, attracting aphids away from your more delicate flowers. Attract ladybugs, lacewings, and other beneficial insects to your garden by planting flowers rich in pollen and nectar. These natural predators will help keep your garden free of harmful pests without harsh chemicals. Some great options include marigolds, dill, and fennel. When planting your garden beds, group plants together that have similar water requirements. This will help you avoid overwatering or underwatering different plants. The world of gardening is constantly evolving, and AI and IoT are poised to play a significant role in the future. Imagine smart irrigation systems that learn your plant's specific needs and adjust watering automatically, or AI-powered plant identification apps that diagnose problems in seconds. These advancements can empower gardeners of all experience levels to achieve optimal results. However, the time-tested methods and traditional hacks we explored today are still incredibly valuable. They serve as a reminder that successful gardening is about more than just technology. It's about connecting with nature, nurturing life, and finding joy in the simple act of growing your own food or cultivating a beautiful green space. So the next time you step into your garden, embrace the future with open arms, but don't forget the wisdom of the past. With a combination of resourceful hacks, a sprinkle of cutting-edge technology, and a whole lot of heart, you can cultivate a thriving garden that's both sustainable and rewarding. What are your favorite gardening hacks, traditional or tech-based? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's get this gardening community growing together. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like, give us comments.